Let's start with a quick reality check. Most people think good audio requires expensive gear. It doesn't. There are free AI tools that already solve most beginner audio problems. They're usable and powerful enough for the majority of projects when you're starting. Some of these tools live directly inside video editors. Others work outside as simple web-based tools, and that's totally fine. Modern creative workflows are flexible. Let's start with tools that live directly inside editing software. A great example is CapCut, which is free and already includes several AI-powered audio features. It's also one of the easiest editing programs for beginners to pick up, which is why we'll use it as our main example here. As you explore the app, you may notice small diamond icons on certain effects or templates. Those indicate features that require an upgrade to CapCut Pro, which is a monthly subscription. For this lesson, we'll focus only on what's available for free, so you can clearly see what you can do without paying anything. Generate auto captions. Captions aren't just about accessibility anymore. They directly affect retention, clarity, and engagement. This feature uses AI to listen to your audio and automatically turn spoken words into on-screen text. How it works: select your clip in the timeline. Open the text menu and choose Auto Captions. Click Generate. CapCut will listen to your audio and create synced subtitles automatically. From here, play the video and review the text. Fix names, accents, or misheard words. Adjust size, font, style. Result: your video becomes easier to follow, more accessible, and more engaging without typing everything manually. Basic voice filters. This isn't about changing your voice, it's about helping it sit better in the mix. CapCut includes AI-assisted voice presets that slightly adjust tone and presence. Select your clip. Open Audio and browse voice effects or filters. Choose a preset and reduce its intensity if needed.
If the effect is very noticeable,
It's probably too much.
You can even generate a completely different voice and reuse it across multiple videos.
Free AI audio outside video editors. Not everything has to happen inside your editor. Some of the most useful AI audio tools work completely outside of editing software. A great example is Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech, which is free and runs directly in your browser.
If you create content for an online business, you've probably had recordings where the audio just sounds bad. Adobe Podcast Enhance can clean up that audio and make it sound much more professional. It's all handled on podcast.adobe.com, and the best part is, there's a free plan. On the free plan, you can upload audio-only files up to 30 minutes or 500 megabytes, and up to about an hour of enhanced audio per day. One important thing to know: you can't upload video files directly. If you're working with video, you first need to export or detach the audio, run it through Adobe Podcast, and then bring the enhanced audio back into your editor.
The workflow couldn't be simpler. Go to Adobe Podcast, Enhance Speech, sign in with your Adobe account, or create one. Click Choose Files, or drag and drop. Upload your audio file. Adobe supports common formats like WAV or MP3. The page will show what's accepted. Let it process. Preview the result, then download your audio.
You can also have the tool transcribe your audio and automatically detect when different people are speaking. This makes it easy to see who said what in your recording, even in the free version of Adobe Podcast Enhance.
AI makes your voice sound clearer and more professional. For example, you can record a voiceover on your phone, clean it with Adobe Podcast, and then bring that improved audio straight into CapCut. You don't need to be an audio engineer or understand technical terms like EQ or compression. Just to give you a simple idea, EQ lets you adjust the strength of different frequency ranges, like turning up the bass or lowering the treble, while compression evens out the volume, so the louder and quieter parts of your audio sound more balanced. You only need to know what result you want: a clearer voice, easier to understand speech, and audio that feels clean enough to publish.